guys, welcome back to another Cooking with Logan. Today we're making Earth Day muffins. And what you'll need is 1.5 sticks of unsalted butter. It has to be melted in a cup. And you need 2 cups of flour. You need 2 large eggs. You need half a cup of whole milk. You need half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. You need 3/4 cups of sugar. You need 1/4 of brown sugar. You don't have to put the brown sugar, but if you want it to be sweeter, you can. You'll also need 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, a cup of blueberries in the dye. So now we're going to start with putting all the dry stuff in one bowl and mixing it, and all the wet stuff in one bowl and mixing it. So we pre-measured everything, and now we're going to start putting all the dry stuff in one bowl. All the sugar, the 2 cups of flour. Remember, if the flour's getting a little tough, you could push on the back a little. And then for the salt and the baking powder. Okay, now you mix. Make sure to mix it all in there. Make sure you see a tiny bit of brown, because you still put the brown sugar in it, and you don't want all the brown sugar to be in like one spot. So we got all the wet stuff. I got my mom to crack the eggs for me, but remember one of the cooking lessons that we learned how to crack eggs? So now I'm going to pour all the wet stuff in. Also make sure to wash your hands after you crack the eggs. So you put everything in, and don't forget you only put like 2 drops of this in there. And then you start mixing. If it's too less green, you can put some more drops, but don't make it too green. So you mix it until it's all stirred in. You might need your mom's help to mix it so it doesn't spill all over the place. I'm going to put some more drops because it's too light. But remember, you don't have to make it too light or too dark. So now I'm going to pour the wet stuff into the dry stuff. If it's chunky, that's because the butter's starting to dry. So now you just mix it all up. When it gets a little hard, you should get your parents' help to mix it.
If it's too hard of a consistency, then you could add a little bit more milk. So this might need a little bit more milk. What do you think, Logan? Is it too hard to stir?
Yeah, a little bit.
All right. Let me get a little bit more milk.
So we added 1/3 of a cup of milk, and now we're gonna put in the blueberries. Remember to wash your blueberries before you use them.
And now, after you mix, where are we going to put them?
We're going to put them on a tray to put in the oven.
In what kind of pan?
In a muffin pan.
Yeah. All right, here we go.
What? So I got my mom to pour all these because it was too heavy for me. It was supposed to make 12, but it actually made 15. Remember, kids, don't eat this before cooking. You could get sick. So they're done. Remember to wait for them to cool, but we waited for ours to cool, and I'm going to try it. They're really good. Have fun. Bye.